run 2016 prestigious London Marathon, and I'm going to run the marathon for a purpose to support a children's charity back home in Assam. You will shortly see the details of the charity on the screen. I always had a desire to help the unfortunate and underprivileged children in the world, and this is my way of helping them. I urge you to donate generously for this worthy cause so that we can help them in achieving something in life. Thank you.